Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Oitro, and today I'm going to talk about all of the science chapters in 2025's Class 8's government official science book. So yeah, science is a pretty important subject. We are going to be needing it for the rest of our lives. It helps us understand the different, everything basically, how everything works in our world and stuff. Here we go. The first chapter is classification of animal world. So the animal world, or the animal kingdom, is classified to make studying easier. It is created by grouping together the body structures, the different characteristics, functions, developments of different organisms, such as how vertebrates have a backbone like birds, mammals. On the other hand, how invertebrates don't, such as worms or insects. The system was popularized by the Swedish scientist from the 18th century called Carolus Linnaeus, or also shortened as Carl Linnaeus. So yeah, other there are other famous scientists too, like Aristotle and other ones. But this is a really important subject or chapter which helps us understand similarities, differences, and evolutions between organisms. That's basically the first part. It teaches about that. And so the second chapter is called growth and heredity of living organisms. Growth is the permanent increase in size and number of cells in an organism. Every living being grows from a single cell through cell division, and there are different types of cell division depending on what kind of organism you are. Heredity is the passing of traits from your parents. Like if your parent has a blue eye, then you might have one as well. Something like that. It goes through offspring genes in DNA. It explains why children resemble parents, and why species remain similar across generations, although evolution might happen. Anyways, that's all that is in the second part. Now we are in the third chapter called diffusion, osmosis, and transpiration. Diffusion is the spreading of particles from a high concentration to a low one, like perfume spreading through the whole room. It like the if you use a perfume in a room or something, then it will smell like the perfume you just used. It explains that. Yeah, osmosis, the second one, is a special type of diffusion. It is a type of diffusion, but it's a bit special. It's about involving water passing through semi permeable membrane. Plants can also lose water vapor through transpiration, which helps them cool off and transport minerals and stuff. There's a lot of other stuff as well. That's all that is in the third chapter. Fourth chapter is reproduction in plants. Plants reproduce in two ways. On the first one, reproduction involves flower producing seeds, while on the other one, reproduction happens through stems, roots, or spores. Both processes ensure plants survive and multiply. So the reproduction goes on, and it also maintains balance in ecosystems and our environment, how plants are still living off and other stuff. That's a short description of what that is. That's also important. Basically all of them are important, but yeah, anyways. Coordination and secretion. Coordination in living organisms means controlling and linking body activities. In animals, the nervous system sends fast signals. We also get fast, but not as fast as some other animals. Yeah. while the endocrine system uses hormones for slower but longer lasting effects. Glands like the pituitary or thyroid secrete hormones together. Nerves and hormones keep the body balanced and responsive. Like responsive as in like if you get tapped or something, then you can know like you got tapped. Like yeah, you just like know what is going on with your body basically. Yeah, that's what that is. On the sixth chapter, we got structure of atoms. Atoms are the smallest building of blocks of a matter. Each atom has a nucleus containing protons and neutrons, while electrons revolve around the nucleus in shells. The the arrangement of these particles give each element a unique property. Atoms combine to form molecules, which also make up basically everything in the whole universe. So yeah, atoms are important to learn about. Like you can know how like different stuffs are built off and other stuff like that. Like yeah, short description about that too. And now we got on the seventh chapter we got the earth and gravitation. Gravitation is the force that pulls something towards another thing. Like basically it shows a reaction or like it shows gravitational pulls among all objects towards each other. All objects like go on with like a pull or gravitational pull, but we just can't feel it. Yeah, but on earth, the whole earth, like the planet we're living on, has a strong gravitational pull. So if we jump, then we will fall down. We can feel that. So yeah, basically it keeps us from floating away, makes rivers flow, and like causes objects to fall down and stuff. Like what I just said, like if we jump and like we will fall down. If we throw a ball, then it will go down. If it's in the earth's like gravitational pull radius, like you know what I mean. Yeah, gravity also contains like tides and like keeps the moon orbiting the earth. Like moon is a satellite or yeah, so it keeps orbiting around the earth. Without it, planets would drift away from the sun. So yeah, anyways, after that we got chemical reactions. Chemical reactions occur when substances occur when like substances like interact with another substance, which can create like specific reactions to create like new elements or like new stuff basically. We learn about how burning wood can create charcoal or like other stuff as well, like digestion of food, like how hydrochloric acid like it's an acid and it like yeah, it does stuff. Like we learn about that. Yeah, we use it in industry, in medicine making and other stuff as well, so it is important to learn about. Yeah, we use it also in cooking, so which is also a really common thing. So yeah, it's nice to learn about that. After that we got electric circuits and current electricity. An electric circuit is a closed path where current flows from a power source through wires and different kinds of devices basically. The whole thing just teaches us about that and how like different positions can change how like the power like supply works. We learn about ammeters and other stuff as well. So yeah, we learn about basically a lot of stuff about electric circuits and current electricity. So yeah, that's all about 9th chapter. We got in 10th chapter acids, bases and salts. Acid tastes sour, somewhat like a lemon. Like basically because like lemon already has like acid, which is called citric acid, which is sour because all acids taste sour. Yeah, we have like after that bases. Bases taste like bitter and soapy, like baking soda. We can't eat it like normally. We have to do different stuff to eat it, or like, yeah, consume it basically. And salts are neutral compounds formed from acids and bases. So yeah, we'll learn about that. And food preservations, medicines, fertilizer, and industries use all of this. These play a big role in reaction and in daily life basically. So yeah, it's essential for chemistry and human use. And yeah, that's all. After that, we have light. Light is a form of energy that travels in straight lines, but it can be bent. Yeah, it can reflect from surfaces, bend during refraction, or like spread into colors. Light basically helps us see stuff, like how we're like seeing that there's something in front of us or behind us or something. Yeah, plants also use light for photosynthesis, but it isn't like clearly like written in the book. But yeah, that's all about light. We learn about different like other stuff as well, how like we can see stuff closer in water while they are actually not that close. Like, yeah, we get explanations for that stuff as well. After that, we have 12th chapter, outer space and satellites. We learn about what space is, how the universe began, or the different theories about the universe, the like quote unquote shape of universe, which is not like typically proven yet, but like most scientists just like go on with the theory that it's basically an oval shaped, somewhat like the earth, but it's not like typically proven yet. So yeah, scientifically not proven, but it is like a widely accepted theory. So yeah, we learn about that stuff. And like satellites and custom satellites, like how moon is our like satellite somewhat, and like how we like let go of like man-made satellites for different stuff, like communication satellites or weather forecasting satellites, or like anything like that. There's a lot of stuff. After that, we have like food and nutrition. This part is basically simple. It explains how food provides energy, growth, and other stuff, while bad stuff like is basically bad for our health. That's what this part is about. Nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water are good for our body. A balanced diet ensures like good stuff about us. It also teaches like what age should you yeah, consume like different amount of stuff. So yeah, that's what like second to last part about like the science chapter is. And after that, we have the last one, last chapter called environment and ecosystem. The environment has air and other stuff where different organisms live. We learn about the different like areas and places, while how food chain also works. So yeah, that's also like a really useful thing to know about. So yeah, that's all of the 14 chapters of this year's like science book. So yeah, that was a short explanation of every part. I didn't go that deep, but I just gave the basic idea of what it can be and what you can expect and stuff. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and thank you for listening, and that's all.